Trees are growing inside the factory because it's wide open, so kind of cool. This is where they built the cars, I guess. Some railroad ties are still sitting in there, tracks. Welcome to Pullman. Pullman Palace Car Company's signature product was a sleeping car, luxurious, fast-moving, full-service palace that made travelers feel like royalty. The company's trademark motto was travel and sleep in safety and comfort. Missionary founder George Pullman set a new high standard for luxury living, building operated railroad cars with Pullman porters, waiters, cooks, maids, and conductors, workers. Pullman shops and yards, aboard trains for eventually won recognition of their workplace rights as Americans. George Pullman built an entire town for workers or family, helping to attract, retain, and control a steady workforce. A social experiment of the company, running both the town and train shop, lasted only 17 years. In 1898, the Illinois Supreme Court forced the Pullman Company to sell everything except the shops. While the remnants of the massive Pullman car still stands, the town of Pullman remains a vibrant neighborhood, diverse and creative. Wow, he made cars from 1881 to 1968. George poses as a wealthy industrialist. In 1831 in Western New York, Pullman left grade school to go to work because of his family's poverty. Pullman conductor smiles as passengers, waiting passengers wait to board. Stage 111th Street, alongside the shops. Bottom left, children playing along Edison Avenue, now Maryland Avenue. There it is, what's left of it. Kind of nice little place. It is owned by the federal government. The rest of this stuff is owned by the state. This is the Erector building where some assembly was going on. I guess these are some of the original tracks. And supposedly, that's the South Shore line. Pullman cars come around here for visits for seeing, but they don't own any Pullman cars. There's one downstate, Illinois, that they're trying to get. It used to be Abraham Lincoln's son's personal Pullman car. They're trying to acquisition. The state owns the warehouse and they're redoing it. And across the street is the Florence Hotel. The rich people stayed in there. It was opened as late as 2010. I guess it was private hands till then. And then the state took it over and we're trying to restore it. I guess this funds get allocated and resources because it's an historical place, so they have to try to make it close to original. So this is the Erector building. Can we actually see inside of it? Where some of the final assembly went on. No, it's all bricked off. You can't even see inside. That sucks. It's definitely in bad shape.